Here I've got HUAWEI P Smart Z, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select Security and Privacy, and now go to Fingerprint ID, it's right here. Then if you'd like to add your fingerprint, just click on Fingerprint Management, and now enter some PIN code which will be backup for your fingerprint, so it can be 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. And now just select the feature that you would like to add to your fingerprint, and I will pick Unlock Device. And now it's time to add your fingerprint on the sensor which is at the back cover of your device. So just turn the device around and keep tapping over here. Here is the sensor. And now you can turn it this way, and I will be putting my fingerprint right like this. And just place your finger for several times until it's fully added. Just keep tapping. And as you can see, it has been added successfully. Click on OK to save it. And from now on you will be able to unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So I just smoothly touch the sensor and it has been unlocked. And if you will give your device to somebody, he or she will be able to unlock it with this backup PIN code. This is it. So that will be all, so you can smoothly and easily add fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.